How to use baking soda to whiten the teeth. 1. Baking soda is a common cooking ingredient which has hundreds of uses around the home that you may not be aware of. 2. One of its excellent properties is its ability to whiten the teeth naturally without the need for peroxide or harsh chemicals found in the usual whitening treatments. 3. Baking soda is also labelled bicarbonate of soda in many stores. Be sure to purchase baking soda and not baking powder, as these contain different ingredients. 4. This wonderful natural powder has been used in home remedies for generations to whiten the teeth. It is an alkaline substance which works to remove yellow stains, tartar and plaque from the teeth. 5. It also destroys any harmful bacteria in the mouth which may be causing damage to the teeth and gums. 6. There are many different ways to use this in order to clean the teeth. The simplest method is to simply sprinkle some baking soda on your toothbrush and brush the teeth normally. Do this once every other day and you will notice your teeth becoming gradually whiter and whiter over the course of a week or two. 7. Alternatively, you can mix baking soda with your regular toothpaste before brushing the teeth. There are brands of toothpaste available with baking soda already added. 8. For a more powerful whitener, you can mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with half a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Brush this mixture onto the teeth gently and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes before brushing and rinsing. This should only be performed once every 2 weeks, as the reaction is quite strong and could cause damage if used too often. 9. You can also add a teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of water and stir well to create a bacteria-destroying mouthwash. This helps to keep the entire mouth clean and prevent stains from occurring in the first place. You can use this once per day indefinitely. 10. Baking soda has a great range of beauty uses and internal uses for the human body. To learn more about these, please see our other videos. Don't forget to tap the bell icon below for regular updates on new videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.